জয় জয় শনি মহারাজ, জয় জয় শনি মহারাজ, জয় জয় শনি মহারাজ এভরিওয়ান। আপনাদের সকলকে আজকের শনিবারে বড় ঠাকুরের শুভেচ্ছা জানাই আমি শনি মন্দির থেকে। সবাই মহারাজা মানসিং দ্বিতীয় গ্রহরাজ শনিধাম মন্দির, শনি মন্দির, কলকাতা, এশিয়া ইন্ডিয়া মেন্টো পার্ক। আর আপনারা সকলেই আমাদের সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ রয়েছেন। আমি পণ্ডিত কুমার বাবু সাহায় ফ্রম সবাই মহারাজা মানসিং দ্বিতীয় গ্রহরাজ শনিধাম মন্দির, শনি মন্দির। আর এই ভিডিওটা আপনি সরাসরি আমাদের ইস্কনের সাহায্যে সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াতে পাচ্ছেন। আমাদের ভক্ত তাদের সাহায্যে ইস্কন সবসময় আমাদের বড় ঠাকুরের সঙ্গে আছে। সারা বিশ্বে আমরা একসঙ্গে আছি হিন্দু ধর্মকে স্ট্রেনথেন করার জন্য, তাকে প্রতিষ্ঠিত করার জন্য আর রিভাইভ করার জন্য। যা কিছু হিন্দু ধর্মের উপরে হচ্ছে সেটাকে রেজিস্ট করার জন্য আর আমাদের হিন্দু ধর্মকে প্রমোট করার জন্য আমরা একসঙ্গে আছি ইস্কন আর শনি মন্দির। আজকের দিনটা এটা কলকাতা, দিস ইজ কলকাতা, এশিয়া ইন্ডিয়া, ভারত, পশ্চিমবঙ্গ। মাই নেম ইজ অমিত ঝা। Yes, and this is to give you glimpses of a beautiful scenario here near to our ISKCON temple, Kolkata. This is a park where you can have this beautiful scenario and get the feel of Asia, India this evening, Saturday, Kolkata. This is Kamak Street, Albert Row, just near to ISKCON temple. This is it exactly.
Right now, this park is called Bhakti Vedanta Park.
Right. This is Bhakti Vedanta Swami Bhakti Vedanta Swami Sarovar. This is exactly which is my friend from ISKCON has just mentioned.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So he is exactly right. The current name is Swami Bhakti Vedanta Swami Sarovar of this park. And this is a beautiful scenario you all are enjoying from Asia, India, with the help of ISKCON. And this is Baba Sahai from Savai Maharaja Mansingh to Graharaj Shaniধাম Mandir, Shani Mandir, Bada Thakur Mandir, Lord Saturn's Grace Temple. Jai Jai Shanidev. Everybody, it heals all your troubles, disputes, difficulties, bad eye, challenges, family disputes, business disputes, and helps to begin with something new and end up all the hassles in your life. To worship Lord Saturn on this day, Saturday, especially to our temple, which is an active temple, Jagrito Mandir, Banglaয় বলে Jagrito. You can find it on Google, those words which you not be able to relate to in the particular vernacular which I am speaking right here now. You can always connect with Google and find out the details. To find out about me, @BABA Baba, SHAHAY Sahai, Shani Mandir. You will find the details. And this is the real glimpses of the Swami Bhakti Vedanta Sarovar. Bhakti Vedanta is Swami Sarovar. This is the beautiful feel you are getting in. Right? This is the beautiful feel you are getting in. With the help of ISKCON. This is what you are getting in. Right? So this is what is exactly is a Bhakti Vedanta Swami Sarovar, Calcutta, Asia, India, just beside ISKCON temple. You can experience yourself by traveling to this part of the world if you wish to. Other than that, you can log into our website. Through ISKCON also you can reach to us. And directly you can reach to us by Google, or else you can reach to us by ISKCON. ISKCON is absolutely our global partner and associate, and we are together in all our efforts to strengthen Hindutva and Sanatan Dharma, and in the name of Lord Krishna, who is the Lord of all lords across all the religions, across all the thought of divinity. Krishna is the avatar of Vishnu. So he is the Lord of all good things possible in life, and all the deities and all the divine spirits follow Krishna. Even Lord Shiva follow Krishna. Krishna is the god in our terms. Though he was born as a prince in India and lived a life as a king of Dwarka, a place called Dwarka in Gujarat. But we Indians and Asians consider him as God, as a reincarnation of God. It's up to you, as a prince, as a king, as a god, as a friend, as a holy man, or as a deity, as an angel, whatever you can feel convenient and fine with, you can follow him. But one thing is for sure, Krishna leads you to the divinity, to the bliss, to the great gracefulness of this universe comes to you through Krishna. So Krishna is the God, and Lord Saturn is the way how you reach to Krishna. We help you to reach to Krishna. We are the traffic police on the way, which helps you to go to Krishna, right? So this is about Lord Saturn's help to you. And when you reach to Krishna, he tells you to follow traffic police to reach back to your home. So we are in between, like the way in between, like officers way on the way between your home and Krishna and ISKCON, right? So God bless you all, and do write your comments on our feeds, on our videos, and anything. If you want to mention anything special work you have related to ISKCON or related to Shani Mandir, Lord Saturn's grace, Mansingh to Greh Rasa Nishtadam Mandir, Shani Mandir, you can always write jot it down as a comment, and this will reach to me somehow or the other. And for the details you can call up 100, the police number. You will understand this is the police number. No, this is absolutely a tie-up number of our temple. If anything you have to say, you have to call up 100 and say that I want to speak to someone from Shani Mandir or ISKCON. They will help us to get connected to our number, or they'll give you our number. They have our number, which we cannot flash it on the screen because of so many reasons. So if you call up 100, they will forward you our direct number, or they will bring a message to us. This is what is the message from this particular person from this part of the world. So this is how easily connecting with and trustworthy connections for each other. Yes, so don't be scared. Police is here to help you, not to disturb you. Right? They are friends and protection to all of us. Right?
Would you say something about Srila Prabhupada?
That you guys will be telling better because I am from.
You experience now. You are here and you experience about Prabhupada and his
I have already said about Krishna. I don't consider anything above Krishna. So when Krishna has been described and appreciated, now speaking about somebody above Krishna will be a little offensive to me. Because we have already discussed Krishna.
Yes.
We have discussed Shama, Krishna, Kishori ji, Bhagwan, Vishnu's avatara, and then we discuss about me, you, somebody, or whatever. Like, you did not tell me earlier. I could have done it. At later we would have discussed Krishna. Now Krishna has been discussed. The ultimate thing has been discussed.
Yes.
Now, what I'm supposed to say about any human, right? We all are just human, right? We are talking about Krishna himself. When you reach to Krishna, Krishna guides you to whoever you want to be guided to. Right. Once you reach to Krishna, Krishna helps you to be guided to whatever he wants to. Let everything just throw it to Krishna. Right. And Krishna, have faith in Krishna. Millions and millions and billions of people and thousands of years we are trusting Krishna. Definitely he is a trustworthy word. He is a trustworthy soul, a trustworthy deity, trustworthy spirit. So let us trust Krishna and leave it on Krishna and keep calm. Let him handle it. That's what I say, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah? Hari Om, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. Now, Hare Krishna. But basically, this is a special video we are shooting here on this particular evening of Saturday. That is the 14th of June 2025 with our friend Prabhuji from ISKCON and me at this Bhakti Vedanta Swami Sarovar Park, just to help you remind your religion and strengthen Sanatana, and even at all if you have any possibility that you have forgotten forgotten the evening prayers, or you have forgotten to go to certain temple on Saturday evenings, or you have forgotten your mala, your chanting, and your way back to your home and roots, this video will somehow, somewhere will pop up on your screen from somewhere and will remind you that your Hindu brothers in India are still there to knock you. Get up, it's evening, it's time to do prayers and get connected to your roots. So this is all about the video all about, right? Om Pram Prim Prom Shah Shanischarai Nama, Om Pram Prim Prom Shah Shanischarai Nama, Om Pram Prim Prom Shah Shanischarai Nama. Do visit us, and we have a couple of programs coming to your city in association with Government of India, Ministry of Culture. Along with ISKCON, we have Rath Yatra coming on 27th here in Calcutta, and all across India there is a huge celebration going to come on Rath Yatra. This is a beautiful, auspicious program where all across the world people come in different forms, tourism, business opportunities, visitors, children, families. You also are invited to come and join us here in India, and we are also coming to your city wherever you are located worldwide. We are coming shortly. In Government of India and Ministry of Culture is planning to put up a program with Lord Saturn's temple in association with ISKCON. On Saturdays we will have programs at your office and nearest to your temple, nearest temple in your vicinity, your locality. So just keep in touch, and together we can help survive our culture. Because the other culture opposite to us are attacking, and they are very, very aggressive. And if we don't help our culture to survive, it will be difficult for our next generation to retain this culture alive, retain this culture, Hindutva, Sanatan alive. All right, and ISKCON is they carry the real India within their heart. They are the real Indian thought, a pure Indian thought. ISKCON carries a pure Indian thought. I have understood myself by researching with all our other associations and organizations and various. No one is carrying as Indian thought, a pure Indian one, just as it has to be, is with ISKCON as of now. It's intact. Others are getting corrupted because of a fund problem or various political issues or management issues. So many other issues. God bless. They all get protection. Whosoever is following the dharma of Sanatan and the Hindutva purely, genuinely, honestly, I bless them, I support them. But ISKCON in current times is having the pure Indian essence, the ethics of India. So you follow ISKCON, you are as good as following everyone. If you are entering ISKCON, you are entering into India, and you will connect with everyone. So no worries, no tension. If you are following ISKCON, you are following Shani Mandir, we both are together. In all terms, there will be forever. Krishna and Rama and Shiva and Hanuman and Shani will be together in whatever form, in whatever time, in whatever duration, in whatever book, in whatever situation. Lord Saturn, Lord Hanuman, and Lord Vishnu, Lord Krishna will be all together into one room. So if you are following, you are a part of our room, and the grace of the good energies around them will definitely bestowed upon you and your friends, family and loved ones, and you will be enriched in your work, in your personality, in your persona, in your life. So God bless you, everybody. This is Amit Jha, Pandit A. Kumar Babasahai, and I am from Shani Mandir, and my friend is from ISKCON. We are winding up this video right now. Thank you so much. This is almost around 13 minutes and 53 seconds. The huge video. What you can do is that you can just clip the video in a small pop-ups and small promos. It will be graceful and grateful to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bharat, Jai Vishwa Bangla, Jai ISKCON, Jai Shani Mandir. Jai Jai Ho, Jai Jai Pram Prim Prom Shashan. Hare Krishna.